course, this is not a template, as you see. This is a pattern. This is why we call this is a pattern. It's not a template. You will apply it differently for every occasion and every different for every different case. You will be implementing it differently. Okay, so here we go. So I think this is a good idea, right? Isn't it? It's a new project. What was it? I want to stop this. Yeah, it is. So, well, okay, so I think so I will start within, no, let me do it like this. So first of all, what I know is that I have a class, which I can call why didn't I select package? Oh, forget it. Yeah, you're not gonna have the this is gonna be an abstract character. Okay, I have some things here, I don't know, some attributes, of course, for my abstract class. And then I have my individual classes like the queen, for example. Let's take the queen. Okay. Queen. Okay. Oh, but the queen, of course, extends this guy here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the next thing is I need some weapon behaviors that, of course, I have maybe some extra attributes for queen, specific to queen, for example. But then I need some weapon behavior. So for the weapon behavior, all I need is an interface. Okay, so this is my weapon behavior. So maybe I have a public void attack function for that, right? So that's also done. So here, one of the attributes will be, over here, for all of my characters, I will be having a weapon behavior. Okay? So I'm going to be having public So this lady here has to implement the weapon behavior as well. So what I need is several, okay, I need something else. To be able to public
Void.
right? Well, this is the trick that, of course, we always do, don't we? Okay, how shall I do it? That is the question.
WB attack.
It's okay.
All right, so what I need is some concrete classes, like sword behavior, which will be implementing and what was it that I was going to
Attack.
attack? Oh, actually, I can do it over here. I didn't need that.
I don't think so.
I'm so lazy. So here it is. And maybe I have another one. Let's call it, what was the other thing?
Axe.
Knife? And this one is also like this, and it also has attack. And what it does is exactly the same. And it says anyway, I mean you got it. Doesn't need to be proper. So okay. So is this complete now? I think it is complete. The thing is that I don't need this anymore. Okay, so what I need is a main class now. Right, to run, we need to make a test run. All right, I created only one character, Queen, but it is the same thing. I mean, what I did is, in here, what I have is my abstract class. All of the Queen, King, and everyone else will be inheriting this. And I have a weapon behavior interface, and sword behavior and knife behavior is implementing this weapon behavior. So with that, I can do this. So what is fun to do is okay. So maybe I call this main class. All right. So here's what I'm gonna do. I will create a character. Am I correct? Okay. Which will be a character C, and it's gonna be the queen. I don't have any constructors.
New.
New.
Yeah, I'm so lazy. So the other way to do it, of course, is to have the queen. If I want to have strictly one type of weapon that I want queen to use, and I don't want to change it, what I do is that I don't put any getters and setters and make it private. And during the constructor of the queen, I can say that queen uses a knife. But here, I'm showing you even something more flexible. I create the queen, and I want to change its behavior. So what I say is that, oh my God, I didn't, let me see. Okay. So what I need here is,
Kill.
I like this. The old times, you know, way back in the past, we were writing them. So I have my, okay, this is not going to be, actually this has to be private, this is an attribute. After all, this is an attribute. But it is not an attribute, this is a method. I turned it into a method. So I have this, for example, and here is my main. So I say, okay, what I need is, I also need a weapon type. Weapon behavior. Weapon behavior. W is a, what do you want? Knife?
Knives.
Knife behavior. So what I do is, I say to the queen, get weapon behavior.
Set.
Oh, sorry, yes. What am I doing here? W. Okay? So maybe I have another weapon behavior. What was the other one? Sword. So, and then I say to the queen,
You need an attack method.
oh yes, I forgot.
You can say get weapon behavior dot attack.
Oh yeah. Either I have to do that or that.
But shouldn't we put it in the superclass?
I think we can.
Oh yeah, we have to do it over here. Yes.
You can delete the. It would be better to delete the getter.
Yeah, I mean, you will never get a weapon behavior. Oh, it's okay.
Okay, I don't know. Maybe we need that. Yeah, you're right. You always need to be setting it. So what we need is
Kill.
Yeah, kill is a good word. And
This weapon behavior.
so now it will work. I have to save
Kill.
it.
Kill.
If you don't save it, it doesn't work.
Kill.
Oh, was it kill?
It's there.
Okay, then I change it to H. Then I say kill again. So this should work. Where is my run? Here. Yeah, it did. Hold on. So, well, there is a joke about this. The joke about how can you make things complicated with design patterns. Okay, I show it to you. You can do this. It's very easy. So the simple, okay, I skip. Let's make a simple hello world with strategy pattern. Okay. Normally, of course, what you would be doing is just doing this. Oops. Okay, and this will work. But how can I make more complicated? That's the nice thing. So I can say, for example, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to display hello world. Well, when I run this, it will, of course, going to say hello world over here, right? So let's use the strategy pattern to make things more complicated. First of all, all right, can you help me with that? How can I make things more complicated using strategy patterns?
We can have a hello world behavior.
Yes, very nice. We can have a hello world behavior. That's going to be what? An interface.
We can have a printable as an interface,
Printable.
and we
Okay,
can have
printable is a good. Well, you know what? The naming, finding names is very important. Naming things is very important. Do you know this series like there was a book? What was the name? It's something like it's a story, medieval story. And the story says within the story that in the old times, medieval times, there are dragons, there are knights, and all sorts of things similar to Hobbits, the Lord of Rings. But in this one, the thing is that there is the language of dragons. I don't know if anyone read this book, maybe, I don't remember the name. There is a language of dragons, and if you speak in that language, if you know the object, name of the object in that language, then you will be getting control of that object. Like if you know the name of the dragon in that world, in that language, then you will be having all possession of that dragon.
Yeah, then
Learning.
Yes, that's the one. Bird.
Learning.
Yes, that's the one. What is it in English?
I don't know.
Bird C.
Maybe.
Bird C. I think. Yeah, that something like that. The name is very important, so we can call it like that. Printable.
Okay, so implementing printable is hello and world.
Yeah, and we need another name which is going to be
Yeah.
the channel. No. But probably not. Well, probably most of you is lost. Did you? Be honest. Are you here with me, or are you lost already? I have one person with me. I have another person with me, but I don't know if others are with me anymore. Maybe you are with me. I can see. I think you are. Maybe I don't know. I'm not so sure. I was looking at your face. But anyway, it is very easy to make things very complicated with design patterns. But this is not the purpose of design patterns. If the things are already complicated, it is used to make things clear. So what we are doing here with the Hello World experiment is to how not to use patterns. So it is 4 o'clock. Okay, let's give a break. Let's pause here and